Test. Hello. I don't know what's but okay. Now you should be able to hear me clearly. Okay, then. Okay, so I've just created the CSAD project, and now I am going to start with the Bootstrap part. So firstly, for the Bootstrap part, I will be linking it down in the comment section what you can get, which is the CSS and the .js file that you need to have. So and then I'm going to paste it. Actually, you don't need this .js file, but you need this CSS file, and I will now put it in. Wait, actually, I think we need both of them. I'll just put it down in the description later on once this video is finished for the Bootstrap part. So now after we have the CSS and the JS part, we are going to import the Bootstrap into our index.php. So now let's go to the index.php that I've made recently in the previous video that I decided to make another one again because it doesn't seem clear. So firstly, we will need this Bootstrap CSS, which is this. So let's get this and put it inside the header part, I mean the head. So I'm gonna comment this and say Bootstrap. So anything here will be for the Bootstrap, and after that I am also going to put this navbar thing, and I'm gonna put all of this script that is required for the for the CSS, so I mean for the Bootstrap to work. Intent it. Okay, now that we have that, the rest here I don't think is actually needed. We'll just leave it be, and now I'm gonna put in the icon as well for later on. Okay, now that we have this thing ready, this is what we need to import to have our Bootstrap working, and that's all. Okay, now we will be creating the navigation bar inside the body. So I will now call this the nav bar section. Oops. So inside this nav bar, firstly we are going to add the what is it called again? The nav bar brand. Let me check if I'm correct about that. Oh, it's not. I have to create a nav bar first before I made a nav bar brand, which is the one that will appear at the left like a like a text. So anyways, so I will be using a navbar light option, make it a light colored navbar, and I'm just gonna see if I'm right for this. Yup, and this everything inside here will be the navbar stuff. So after this navbar stuff, I'm going to include a nav class equals to navbar brand which will be the thing that you want to do, like example hello, then you appear at the hello part. So I'm gonna run this. As you can see, this is the nav. Actually there's a nav bar, but let's just change it to dark then, maybe because light is not the correct one. Light it's very bright. Like, oop. Okay, never mind, there must be some mistake I made here. It's supposed to be a class, not navbar class. Oh. Oops. A is for the link thing. There's nothing there though for now. let's also put the link to index.php. I'll call this CSAD. Okay, still not here. It's the color. I'm gonna change it to that must be the text color that I have to change later on, but not now. Okay, so after we have done with this navbar thing, let's create a navbar button. I'm gonna indent it. I'm gonna press this. Okay, now for this navbar button, control to save. Okay, so button class navbar toggler. This is the class for the navbar button that we are going to use, which will show like a hamburger sign with the 3-bar thingy. And then the tab is of course button. Then the toggle will collapse the thing, or it will open it back. And the target is main page, which will be the navbar list that we are going to add later after this navbar button thingy. Okay, now we'll be making the navbar list item like this. So firstly, you will need the div class equals the navbar hyphen collapse. So whatever is inside here is the part that can be collapsed, and it can be opened back to appear. I'll try to explain that later on. Then now we're gonna make the unordered list navbar mr auto, which means it will margin right automatically. So it will move everything. It will actually make itself appear at the right by margining left. Now we're going to add this list. So firstly, we also have to set the collapse navbar collapse to id main page. So I actually forgot one thing here. Collapse navbar collapse id equals to main page. It must be the same as this. If you like put something else, like example main, then this must be main as well, and that must be main, but we're not going to do that because main might be used for other IDs, so I'll just use as main page here. Okay, then we're going to add this list like I said just now. So let's just copy this. Li meaning list, then must have the /li. Then inside here will be the link thing. It's called nav link /a. So whatever, and also the ref here is gonna be what you wanna put. For example, index.php. I'm going to show it as home page here. Okay, let's run it on Chrome. Actually, still not appearing yet. Oh, it does appear, it's just I don't know why. I guess I'll just start color it manually. Background hyphen color. I'm gonna make it like this color, the dark color, and I'm gonna change the font to white. I guess this will work as well. Yep, much nicer now. Okay, so as you can see, when you click this button, it works because we have we have imported the JavaScript that is needed for this to be able to work. And then when you click home page, it will bring us to index.php as well as this CSAD thing. So whatever you put here will appear in the list by it will it will appear in the list and it will go downwards like this in order of where you put first. And now after we have done with this home page, let's create a few more, like actually the about us page all will be part in the foot of the footer, so we'll just leave it be first. Yeah, we'll just leave it be as like this first, and I'm gonna say this as the navbar list. So I'm going to link the entire code here in the description later on. This is the ending part of the navbar. Again, now we're going to create the footer. Footer. Let's style the color in this color as well. Oh, what am I doing? Style goes up. Okay. Now we're gonna have a link thingy here as well, but not like this. So in the footer, what we're gonna do is the copyright thingy. So let's go to Google Chrome and gonna search for the copyright symbol, and it should be this one. Now we have this copyright symbol. Now we're also gonna use PHP to echo the year, so use this command echo date and then just put this as y. It will paste the year, and then whatever you want, like maybe CSAD project is the name of the website, for example, and I'll just say all rights reserved. This is a simple thing you can do. You can do whatever way you want, or you can don't even implement this if you want to. If you don't want to, I mean. But as you can see, it's not centralized, so let's put text align center. It should work. Yep, it's now in the center now. Okay, but before this, we should also add the stuff that is part of the basic feature, which is the about us and etc. So I'm gonna do a link thingy. Put the ref. So about us .php. Then I'm gonna put like this thing here, a ref. Another one will be the contact us .php, and another one would be the what is it called again, project portfolio .php. Okay, I forgot to put this about us, contact us, and project portfolio. Okay, now you have this, but the color doesn't seem nice, so I'll use this. I just changed the class to navlink to make it looks nicer actually. Oh wait, never mind, that doesn't work. I thought it would make it nicer. Okay, then just style it using the style here. Style equals to color whites. Yep, okay. Okay, now it's like that, but I also want to remove this underline thingy. I do not want that. I'm gonna change it the text decoration to none. Set it none. So for this and this, okay, now it should look nicer. Okay, now we have the header and the footer. Now we just need the in between of them. So yeah, this is the nav bar thing. I'm gonna put it above it. Okay, now this is the content. I think here will be the content. So inside this content, we'll be having the anything here in between, which will be, in this case, we'll be using the jumbotron, which is this main row main div class jumbotron. I'll just copy this. Now of course we have to close this as well. Actually we must intend this and this. Sorry, I'm very sneezy today. Don't mind me. I'm also gonna set the website background to black. In the body side here, like we can just put style background rather than colors black. Okay, now we are done with this simple header and the top part. So now what we're going to do is, instead of having this pasted every single time inside your website, we are going to create an echo top function and echo bottom function, or we will just call it website top .php and website footer. Actually, we're not gonna call it website top, we're gonna call it website header, and the content will just leave it be because different websites have different contents, right? So yeah, so whatever I'm going to do now is very important, because you will want the header and the footer in each site to be the same, unless if you want to have some changes that you don't echo this website header. So everything from here until the top here, except for the title, which one you want it to be different, the icon you want it to be the same, because this is the same website. If you want it different, then you can leave it be the icon, and after that I'm gonna type in here echo, and I'm gonna use a single quotation here and at the end. Okay, now everything here will echo for the header part. Now, as well as the other stuff that is needed, such as the script and etc., and everything here will be the echo for the footer part. So for the footer part, we're gonna echo this entire thing. Okay, now that we've put a footer and the top part, we can actually just remove this, all of this, except until the home page title. Then we just do this php include website header.php, then we close it, as well as footer for this. So we're gonna remove that and put it here, include website footer. So as you can see, now we have this here, even though we remove the rest. We will just need the content stuff here. So now that we are done with the thing here, we are now done with the bootstrap. So if you guys want to add more link, you will just copy inside, you just edit this header part. For example, inside the website header.php, an example, I make this login page. I'll combine the login and the register page to make it easier this time, and I'll change it to login page.php. Now we have the login page and the register page here. Sorry, I keep forgetting that I closed this website by accident. There is some issue right now. Let me check. What happens if I clear it? It was working fine though just now. Let me try again. Oh, bro, this is the wrong index.php. Sorry about that. I accidentally edited the other PHP, no wonder. So I'm just gonna do what I did just now. Let's copy, actually, PHP include footer here, footer.php. Oh no, not footer.php. Website footer.php. Then close it, as well as for the header here. Okay, now it should looks fine, normal. Okay, now I'll just go here, login/register, and you will go to the login page. Oops, okay. Oh my god, I should not close that thing whenever it's done. Okay, now we have the login/register, which will bring to this login page, which we have not made yet. Okay, now we are going to, now that we are done with this, I will end this live stream for the bootstrap part and continue on the next one, which will be the PHP part. So now you guys can do whatever you want for this simple thing here. Actually, we're not really done with the bootstrap. Let's actually, we have a few more to go, which in this case is the title. Let's just add this to home page, and for the icon, I'm going to put it I'm going to add a folder inside here called images. I'll just put a simple icon here for the CSAD homepage. Let's just use the SP logo. Actually, I have it already in my let me search for SP logo. Search for SP logo. Oh my god, there should be SP logo around here though. Oh no, that's not. Oh my god, it's so hard to find. Yeah, I'll just search online. I should really sort my I should really sort my, what's it called again, my desktop scripts, whatever it's called. Yeah. I'll call this SP logo. Okay, now we have SP logo.jpg. I'm going to put it inside the images. Okay, I'm just gonna put a ref images slash SP logo.jpg. Now the website is for now we have this homepage thing with the SP logo on it. Okay, so if we go to the login slash register, of course nothing will happen because it's not created yet. Okay, then that's actually about it for the Bootstrap part. Now the styling is all basically done for now. You guys can do whatever style you want, and you guys can learn more about Bootstrap in other videos that people have created. This is just for simplicity. I cut it down until here.